Hey everyone, so I've got my manual soap dispenser here. Now typically when I'm taking a shower, I've got body wash out, conditioner, shampoo, and all the bottles are kind of everywhere. But when I go to a hotel, it's just like this, and that makes it so much easier and clutter free. I love that these are 17 ounces each, so you got three of them. Down here it is marked. You've got so you can go ahead and know which one is shampoo, conditioner, or body wash. These little buttons here allow you to go ahead and dispense it out here out of the bottom. The tops here, they do have the ability to go ahead and lock. So if you were using this, especially in a hotel, you could go ahead and keep those locked up. And there's two different ways you can go ahead and mount this. One is this adhesive right here. You're just going to peel this off. I'm going to put it on the wall, and I'm going to go ahead and install this in my bathroom in a moment, and you'll see how I do that. Another way is you could actually use this hardware and go ahead and use these holes and these anchors to go ahead and mount it to the wall also. And here are also the keys. All this is ABS plastic. On the back side here, you can see how it looks. So if you are going to go ahead and use the anchors, here are the holes for the anchors. But since I'm going to use this right here, it's going to go ahead and slide into these slots. So let's go ahead and get it installed, and I'll show you how it works. So this is where I'm going to go ahead and put my dispenser. I've gone ahead and cleaned this really well and taken off any soap scum that could be there. I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing on this and go ahead and just apply it right there. So now that I have this mounted on the wall, I just slide that on there. I'll take off all these covers here, and we'll put in our shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. So I've got the dispenser all installed. I put in my body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in here. It looks fantastic. It's real easy to use. Go ahead and just prime it up like that, and it comes right on out, which is fantastic. Just a couple of pumps, and you've got the amount that you need. And I don't have any bottles or in my bathtub, and it looks fantastic. Really happy with it, and I hope you found this review helpful.